This is Jonha Falls. It's one of the top waterfalls of the state. And this is called Jonha Falls. And this is the time. If you want to see waterfall in Ranchi or in the rest of the India, except the total north, if you want to see waterfall in India, you gotta see it in the rainy season. Because other than that, it's totally dry. You will not be able to see much. But here you can see a lot. It's one of the safest waterfalls in Ranchi. Very few unfortunate incidents has occurred here, but I've never been, or I've visited very few times this waterfall in the rainy season, so that's why I wanted to come here at this time. The water level, man, that's amazing. It's lovely. You can see waterfall, water level. Awesome. Now here we're seeing, this is the upper area of this waterfall. Really majestic place. It's really lovely on a rainy season. There are dark clouds, but there are also, it's very humid today, and it's hot, feeling hot.